Hello, good afternoon students. Today we are going to start our new chapter and the name of the chapter is quadrilateral and the chapter number is 17. This chapter you will do in your geometry copy. First see the introduction. Quadrilateral. What is quadrilateral? A simple closed figure bounded by 4 line segment is called a quadrilateral. एक ऐसा फिगर जो क्लोज्ड फिगर हो, 4 लाइन सेगमेंट से मिलके बना हुआ हो, उसको हम लोग बोलते हैं क्वाड्रिलेटरल. Here is the 4 line segments are AB is first, BC second, CD third and DA is fourth one. In a quadrilateral there are 4 angles, angle A, angle B, angle C and angle D. Here is the opposite angles is angle B is opposite to angle D and angle A is opposite to angle C. Adjacent angle means angle A adjacent to angle B and angle A is adjacent to angle D. Okay. Now come to the types of quadrilateral. There are various types of quadrilateral. We will study about one by one. First quadrilateral is trapezium. Trapezium, a quadrilateral having one and only one pair parallel is called the trapezium. Here the side AB is parallel to CD. मतलब trapezium एक ऐसा quadrilateral है जिसमें सिर्फ और सिर्फ एक साइड, एक पेयर ऑफ साइड्स पैरेलल होता है. AB पैरेलल है CD का. Now come to the next types of quadrilateral is parallelogram. Parallelogram. A quadrilateral in which both pair of opposite sides are parallel is called the parallelogram. एक ऐसा quadrilateral जिसका दोनों अपोजिट साइड आपस में क्या हो, पैरेलल हो. साइड AB is parallel to CD and the second parallel side, pair of parallel side is side BC is parallel to side AD. Now come to the next type of quadrilateral. Third type of quadrilateral is rhombus. A rhombus is a parallelogram in which all the sides are equal is called the rhombus. Side AB is parallel to side BC and BC is parallel to DC and DC is parallel to DA. Now come to the next type of quadrilateral, that is rectangle. A parallelogram in which each angle is of right angle and opposite sides are parallel. That means एक ऐसा quadrilateral जिसका चारों एंगल 90 डिग्री हो, angle A, angle B, angle C and angle D, all the 4 angles are of 90 degree, that is right angle, and opposite sides are also parallel. Side AB is parallel to CD and the another pair of parallel side is BC is parallel to DA. Now come to the next quadrilateral, that is square. A quadrilateral, a parallelogram in which all the sides are equal and each angle is a right angle is called the square. एक ऐसा quadrilateral जिसका चारों साइड इक्वल हो और चारों एंगल 90 डिग्री हो. There is a little bit confusion between rhombus and a square. In a rhombus the definition is all the 4 sides are equal and the square is also the definition is all the 4 sides are equal. But what is the difference between rhombus and square? There is the difference. In a square all angles are of right angle, that means 90 degree, and rhombus is not having a 90 degree angle each. Okay, come to the next last type of quadrilateral, that is kite. A quadrilateral in which 2 pair of equal adjacent sides but unequal opposite sides is called a kite. काइट के शेप में दिखने वाला एक क्वाड्रिलेटरल जो 4 साइड से मिलकर बना हुआ हो, इसमें 2 साइड हमारा इक्वल होता है, जैसे BC is equal to CD and AD is equal to AB. Now after in our next class we will start our exercise. In this class you will write the definition and learn the definition of different types of quadrilateral. Okay, thank you class.